Are you a student, professional, or want to know more about the world of pharmaceuticals, laboratory chemistry, and GMP? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to GMP Guide, your one-stop channel for expert insights and in-depth knowledge. Our experts have more than 20 years of experience working in leading companies like Roche and Novartis, and we are here to share our expertise with you. From mastering good manufacturing practices to exploring the details of laboratories, chemistry, and the broader pharmaceutical industry, we'll cover it all. So if you're ready to take your understanding to the next level, let's get into it.
Tablets are a very common dosage form in the pharmaceutical industry. They are solid, compressed medications, offering a convenient and accurate way to administer a wide range of drug.
Injections are sterile solutions or suspensions administered directly into the bloodstream, muscle, or other tissues. This method provides a rapid onset of action and bypasses the digestive system. Capsules are a common dosage form where the medication is enclosed in a gelatin shell. They can be used to administer drugs in powder, granule, or liquid form. Creams are semi-solid emulsions designed for external application. They're commonly used to deliver medication directly to the skin.
Syrups are concentrated or nearly saturated solutions of sucrose or sugar. In the pharmaceutical industry, they're often used to mask the unpleasant taste of certain medications, making them more palatable, especially for children.
Solutions are liquid preparations where the medication is completely dissolved. This dosage form offers rapid absorption, making it a good choice for patients who may have difficulty swallowing solid medications. Ointments are another type of semi-solid preparation for external use. Their greasy nature helps to create a protective barrier on the skin while also delivering medication. Gels are semi-solid systems where a liquid phase is trapped within a three-dimensional polymeric matrix. They offer a cooling effect and are used to deliver medications. Emulsions are a unique dosage form, consisting of a mixture of two liquids that don't typically mix, like oil and water. In an emulsion, one liquid is dispersed as tiny droplets within the other, making them suitable for delivering drugs that aren't readily soluble. Suspensions are liquid preparations containing undissolved medication particles. They are used for drugs that are not soluble in water. Patches are a unique dosage form where the drug is embedded in an adhesive matrix. Designed for application to the skin, they provide a controlled release of medication over an extended period. Inhalations deliver medication directly to the lungs. This method is commonly used for respiratory conditions, allowing for quick and effective treatment. Eye drops and ear drops are liquid or semi-solid preparations specifically designed for application to the eyes or ears. They are used to treat a variety of local conditions in these areas. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.